Yeah, definitely. Hey, good morning, you guys. Very quiet this morning here in the intersection. Definitely not anything like we usually see, but good news, that is the case. It's very quiet. Unfortunately, a few minutes ago, we actually did just see a woman in her car at the top of the hill get stuck. Thankfully, she was able to get out okay, but we've seen that throughout the morning across Kansas City. Folks who have smaller cars, maybe not all-wheel drive, it can be a little bit hard in different spots, but thankfully, the main roads are definitely plowed. As you can see, city crews have done a great job getting built up snow off the roads. Some of those residential side streets, though, they're a different story. I mean, on my way in, I saw a number of stalled cars that couldn't make it out onto the main roads because of the piles of snow. So if you are trying to go somewhere and you have a car without all-wheel drive, I'd maybe just advise against it if you can. Now, other than that, the few cars that we have seen out on the roads here seem to be getting around okay, no problems, as long as they're driving slow. I know the highways are kind of a different story, so take caution there as well. I think more so the story this morning is really just that bitter cold. There's definitely some ice still on the sidewalks here. I want to see if you can maybe see how my boot really is just sliding. So take it slow on the roads because underneath all of that snow, there is still some ice under there as well. But again, just bitterly cold now as this winter storm turns into that story. I mean, me and Fox 4 photographer John Gerhards have only been out here a few minutes. My fingers are getting numb. It's very cold. So especially check on your dogs, little kids, older people in the community during this weather because it really can get deadly very quick if you're not inside.
Yeah.